So let's play Dr. Babe. We'll operate today. Incisions must be made. You could have solved this case. We need a scalpel now. Under white lights you lay. We've got to hurry up before the flesh decays away. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is Boys Guitar Lessons. This is how to play Buried Alive by Census Fail. This was actually one of my favorite songs in high school, like late high school. So that'll date me a little bit, now you know how old I am-ish. Anyway, so this is a great song. This song was requested. If you guys have other requests, let me know. I'll get to them. Yeah, I know that there's some other ones out there, and I'm doing my best to get to them as quick as I can, all right? All right, so for this song, you're gonna have it in drop D tuning, all right? And you're not gonna have a capo on it. And pretty much every Census Fail song is in drop D. So what drop D is that this one is tuned a full step down, just the big E string. Hear how much lower that is? And how it's in the same like key kind of as the D string, okay? So usually when you're tuning, the E will sound the same as the A string if you put your finger on the 5th fret on the E, but it doesn't in drop D, but it does if you put it on the 7th fret, so that's how you can tell, okay? So you just tune it down so that when your finger's on the 7th fret, all right? Sorry, the 7th fret, it'll sound the same as the A string, okay? So that's a little tip for you. All right, so I'm gonna show you how to play the intro for this part and everything. This is a really great song, so I'll show you how to play the strumming patterns and everything. So what you're gonna do is, you're gonna put your ring finger, is that right? It's gonna go on, there's no traditional chords for this. It's like all bar chords basically, but they're easy bar chords. So you're gonna put your ring finger, this is how I play it, on the 4th fret on the A string, and then I put my pointer finger, okay, goes like that, on the 2nd fret on the G string, okay? So what you're gonna do is, you're gonna pluck the A, D, G, okay, so you do A, D, G, mute. Then you're going to put your pinky finger on the 4th fret on the D string, okay? And then move your pointer above it on the 2nd fret on the D string, and you'll see why. So you do, so you're gonna do D, A, and then lift up your pinky on D, and now you're just playing it, you've got your pointer finger there on the 2nd one. So you're gonna do 2 on D. Okay, then mute, and then you're gonna basically start it over again, except for you're gonna do D, A, D, sorry. So then you're gonna put your pointer finger back on the 2nd fret on the G string, and then you'll start over. That's how I messed up on that. So you're gonna do G, D, A, D, G, mute, okay? And then put your pinky down again and put your pointer finger back on the 2nd fret on the D string. All right, so pinky on the 4th fret on the D string, pointer finger on the 2nd fret on the D string. All right, then you go D, A, and then lift up your pinky and hit D again. All right, so here's how it sounds if you play it normal. Okay, so they play that twice with like no lyrics or anything at the beginning, so you're just gonna do that. All right, and I'm gonna include a guitar tab, so you can see how to play this, because I had to look it up again. So then, if you wanna play the lead part, I'm gonna show you how, just for the intro part, because it's like, there's just so much for this song. So what you're gonna do for the intro part is you're gonna put your pointer finger, just like a power chord, but your pointer finger goes on the 4th fret on the A string, okay? And then your ring finger goes on the, so it's always 2 frets away from it, goes on the 6th fret on the G string, sorry. So you're gonna put it on the G, and then with your middle finger, you're gonna touch it, okay? You're gonna touch the D string. All right, so you're just gonna be like pushing it like that. See how my middle finger is like pushing it? Okay, you don't have to like push it hard, but just be touching it. All right, so so it sounds. Okay, so that's what you're going to do. So you start on 4 and 6, and I'm just going to tell you the frets because you're never moving your fingers off of these while you play the lead at this part before you start doing the lyrics. Okay, so you're going to do 4 and 6, 4, 6, 5, 7. Okay, then you slide up to 12 and 14. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Then you go to 9 and 11. Down, down, up, down, up, down. So you do down, up, down, up, down. So you're going to do down, up, down, up. So you do up, down, up. You're going to go up to 10 and 12, and then down to 7 and 9. Okay, and then when you go before, so like the end of that, you're going to play open. So when you do the open part, I recommend you mute the bottom 3 strings, the G, B, and the little E, because otherwise it's going to sound weird. So see, you don't want that. You want to mute it. So you're just basically playing E, A, and D. So you're doing down, 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 down. Okay, so you're doing open. You do 3. Okay, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Then you're playing, put it on the 5th fret on the E, A, and D strings. Okay, and again, you don't want to push the whole thing down because then it's going to add those ones in. So you just want to do the E, A, and D and have the rest of your finger like touching it. So you're going to do down, 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 down. So you do 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, just like that. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, and then you'll do that. So you do that twice, and then you're going to go into the verse. Okay, so for the verse, this song is so easy to play. So for the verse, what you're going to do is you're going to palm mute it. So put this part of your hand as close as you can to the white bridge right here, and you're going to be barring. Sorry, you're going to be open. All right. So you're just doing the E, A, and D strings, and you're doing open. So you're going to do rest in peace, girl. Your death is such a shame. Okay, then you're going to bar the 4th fret. And sometimes I use my middle finger, sometimes I use my pointer. Just kind of depends if my pointer's tired. Okay, so you're barring the 4th fret on the E, A, and D strings. Okay, so you do open. Rest in peace, girl. Your death is such a shame. Okay, then after shame, you're going to put it down on the 4th fret. Okay, 4th fret. Paper said a bullet got in your way. Then you're going to slide up to 9. Okay. But I smell foul play, possible poisoning. Then you're going to slide down to the 5th fret, okay? I had to bring you in for questioning. And then you're going to start over, okay? And you're going to go open. So you're going to do open. Rest in peace, girl. Your death is such a... So it's actually faster than that, but you can see how you play it. It's just down, down, down. So it's... Rest in peace, girl, your death is such a shame. The paper said a bullet got in your way, but I smell foul play, possible poisoning. I had to bring you in for questioning. I went to... So you're gonna repeat that, okay? Then when you finish the verse, you'll do the pre-chorus, which is down, 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 down. Okay? So you're gonna do... So let's play doctor. Okay, so then you go to the chorus is really easy. It's just in the 9th frets, barring A, E, A, and D. 9, 5, open, 7. Okay, that's it for the chorus. So you're just gonna do. So let's play doctor. Doctor's where you start playing at 9. Doctor, babe, we'll operate today. Incisions must be. Okay, so you're doing down, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Then you go back to the pre-chorus, post-chorus, it's the same thing. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1. Oops, I dropped my pick. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Start over with the palm muting again, okay? Okay, so you're gonna palm mute and do the same. Second verse is the same as the first one. The only real different thing here is for the bridge, you're just gonna be doing You're just gonna be doing 1, 2, 3. Okay, or you can just be doing 5 the whole time. I'll catch the murderer and send him away. Okay, so you're just doing 5 and open. So 5, I'll catch the murderer and send is where you go to open, okay? Send him away, okay? All right, so you're just gonna do 5, open, 5 on the bridge. I'll catch the murderer and send him away. So on away, you're gonna do 7. Way, and 5 again. I'll get the evidence from your last day. So the second time, you're just gonna do a single strum on 7, okay? Your last day, your last day. So let's play Dr. Babe. We'll operate today. Decisions must be made. You could help solve this case. We need a scalpel now. Under white lights you lay. We've got to hurry up before the flash decays away. Okay, and then you just end it like that. Okay, that's how you end the song. Just open one smack. Anyway, let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. And thanks for watching. It's been fun. See you next time.